This quick and flavorful microwave Turkish lamb stew takes just 25 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. Bursting with aromatic spices like paprika, cumin, and cinnamon, combined with tender lamb and fresh vegetables, this dish offers a rich, savory taste with a hint of warmth and depth. Perfect for an effortless yet satisfying meal, it's bursting with authentic Turkish flavors that will delight your senses. Let's now check the ingredients. 500 grams lamb, cut into cubes. 1 large onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tomato, chopped. 1 bell pepper, sliced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by placing the cubed lamb in a microwave-safe dish. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and sliced bell pepper to the dish. Drizzle the olive oil over the ingredients and sprinkle the paprika, cumin, cinnamon, salt, and pepper evenly on top. Mix everything well to coat the lamb and vegetables with the spices. Cover the dish with microwave-safe lid or plastic wrap, leaving a small vent for steam to escape. Microwave the lamb and vegetable mixture on high for 10 minutes. Carefully remove the dish from the microwave and stir in the chopped tomato. Recover and microwave for an additional 8 to 10 minutes, or until the lamb is tender and cooked through. Once cooked, let it rest for 2 minutes after removing from the microwave. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley and serve hot. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for savoring this Turkish microwave lamb stew.